Probably standing on maybe a foot of snow here right now.
Holy cow.
It still rises up another 4 feet on that drift. Driveway is probably, that's about 4 feet under.
Yeah. There's that.
Let's check out the propane tank. Not much of that we have. I believe it's in here somewhere. Where's the top? Oh, here it is.
Put on snow on top of it.
This tank is 4 feet high.
Yeah. Frozen shut.
Well, at 35%, we probably got, we'll get enough for maybe a week.
That's good. Holy cow, that thing's like 7 feet deep in the air.
We'll use some snowshoes today. It's one snowy house. That's where a mailbox is.
Holy cow, where's the mailbox?
There's Deborah and Lola.
We're missing some.
Are we? Missing some brushes? Okay. A little bumpy up here. I don't know. They're still over there digging out at Donna's. Good, I don't know how we'd get over there though. Snow's so deep. Boop, boop. Gee whiz, holy cow. Guy really took some chunks out of the road. There's a driveway. We're gonna have to go up here and turn around. Come back the other way. Turn, turn, turn. Hey, we made it. Wow. Here's something that puts the snow depth in perspective. I'm standing on a mound of snow that we created from shoveling the driveway, only a portion of it. I'm looking down at our steps leading up to the back deck. Normally, where I'm standing right now, I'm about the same height as those steps, but I'm looking down a good 6 or 7 feet from here. And yet another perspective, actually looking up over the deck, whereas on a normal day you could barely see over the top. Fence in the backyard is melted down a bit. It was buried when we got home. And just about every rock face out here in our yard now is skiable. So much snow out here. I'm standing on a drift looking down at the back door where I'm, again, normally I'm at the same level as that door. Waterfall is nicely buried over there. Could even ski off of that rock. Snow's melted down a bit. It's gotten a lot thicker. It's a lot easier to walk in, but even still I'm dropping down to my knees. And this is the rock field where they blew out the foundation for the house. Never ever imagined we see it covered in snow.